Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel, PC Error Fix. Are you encountering the frustrating error code NW-2-5 while trying to stream your favorite shows or movies on Netflix? In this video, I'll guide you through a troubleshooting process to help you resolve the error code NW-2-5 and get back to enjoying your Netflix content. The error code NW-2-5 is a common issue that occurs due to network configuration problems. But don't worry, we have some solutions to help you troubleshoot and fix this Netflix error. Solution 1, check network connection. Solution 2, restart your streaming device. Solution 3, check DNS settings. Solution 4, check your network permit for Netflix streaming. Now before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1, check network connection. The first step is to check your network connection and ensure it's working properly. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Verify that other websites or streaming services are accessible. Restart your modem or router by unplugging it from the power source for a few seconds, then plugging it back in. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try switching to a wired connection if possible. Solution 2, restart your streaming device. If the network connection is stable but you're still experiencing the error code NW-2-5, the next step is to restart your streaming device. Power off your streaming device, unplug it from the power source, and wait for a few seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. Launch the Netflix app again and see if the error persists. Solution 3, check DNS settings. If the previous solutions didn't work, then the Netflix error code NW-2-5 might be related to DNS settings. Let's check and modify them if necessary. Go to Control Panel and open Network and Internet Settings. Then click on Network and Sharing option. Click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection link. And then click on Properties. Now choose the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click on Properties. Next, click on the Use the following DNS server addresses option, add the Google DNS server addresses and click OK. Preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and restart your device. Solution 4, check your network permit for Netflix streaming. In some areas like schools and cafes, the internet service providers try to stop Netflix from streaming properly. The restricted video access will block you from viewing Netflix on your streaming device due to the bandwidth required. If you are connected to Wi-Fi in a public place, confirm that services like Netflix don't have restricted access. You may need to contact the administrator for alternatives or switch to a private network. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the error code NW-2-5 on Netflix. Now, you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without any interruptions. I hope this troubleshooting guide was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Netflix tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.